Hey guys and girls, today I'm going to be teaching you how to speak Hmong. I know I don't look Hmong, but I am Hmong. Like, my dad's Hmong, my mom's white. Even though my mom's white, she's still really Hmong because she can speak Hmong like any dialect she wants to. She's very fluent in Hmong. She beats me like a Hmong mom would when I was little. She signs my permission slips, gets rice stuck on it. I turn it in, just like, oh, that kid's a Hmong. She even decorates my clothes with like little rice bits sometimes on accident when she puts stuff in the dryer. Yeah, she even drives a Honda. She's as Hmong as they come. She cooks Hmong too, if I didn't say that already. Anyways, you combine them, I'm Hmong. Okay, so the first thing I'll teach you guys to say is like a hello, how are you kind of thing. So let's say you're just walking around somewhere and you see a group of Hmong people. You just happen to know they're Hmong because you do. And you want to impress them, so you just walk up to them and you're like, that's all you gotta say. And they'll be really delighted to meet you. And that pretty much just means, hi, how are you all doing? Okay, so now that we got the thing where like you meet people, you want to say hello, you greet everybody down. Now, what if you want to leave? So that's what I'm going to teach you guys next. So let's say you're with your boyfriend or girlfriend and they only know how to speak Hmong. So you want to tell them, hey, I want to go. So, hey, kusan chaji. That means I want to go. So then you guys can leave. It's a nice and polite way to say it too. Okay, so let's say you got like new neighbors or something like that, and they're a big family of Hmong people, like the mom, the dad, and the 20 children. Hmongs have big families, usually, stereotypically. I'm not racist. Yeah, okay, they moved next door and you want to give them a present. So, you buy a 100-pound bag of rice and you give it to them. And you want to tell them that, hey, I got you some rice as a gift. So, hey, like just say that right to their mom, to the mom or dad, and they'll be appreciative of it. Okay, now sometimes it's not enough to just like give them rice. That's like giving a kid a toy without batteries. So you don't have to get them like pots and pans and a rice cooker. You can just get them some water or something, like a couple jugs of water would be nice, just because you use water to cook rice. So I'll just be like, "Kumukakle," and you can have your puppy in the background because they love dogs. So they'll think it's cute. Okay, now I don't want this video to get too long, and plus my Hmong is very rusty because my roommate's white and he's very useless in helping me keep my Hmong. And my grandmother isn't around to yell at me anymore. Like, my Hmong's gotten so bad to the point where she'll talk to me and all I hear is blah 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 pink and I'm just like, what? Yeah, so it kind of hurts my feelings when she says that because Hmong pride, huh? So all I get is you coach, and I'm off subject. Okay, so obviously, yeah, I'm really bored. And okay, so that concludes my Hmong lessons. And if me more, just and till next time.